What up? So I got 2 mains left, guys. 13.50 per. Let me know if you want it. 13.50 per. Super Break Baseball Random Team. I only got 2 left. Thanks, brother. 2 mains left, guys. 13.50 per. Random team. Destin. 1 left, guys. Ajay Cod's taking the last spot. I got you, buddy. Make sure you guys send to the PayPal below. Make sure it's goods. I need Noah in here. I don't know where he's at. Let me know when you guys send. Blue, I didn't get you in for a spot. Ajay Kaz, what's the first name on the PayPal? Nova, what name is on your PayPal? I got Ajay Kaz. Nova, I don't see it, buddy. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, I got it. Just waiting on 3 payments, guys. Oh, man. Jamlog, what up, brother? Cleveland, what up? Ace Mac, did you send? I don't see anything from you, brother. Chilling, buddy. So, guys, Select Football is going right after this last baseball break. Select Football, PYT, 2-box breaks. Those are on the site. If you guys want a team in that, go hit up the site. Yeah, Blues. It's full. I didn't get anything from you anyways. So Select Football is running next. Anybody wants in that, let me know. Select Football is on deck, boys. Fire, what up, Kit? What's good, brother? Noah, what's up, bud? What is up? Just give me a minute, guys. I'm waiting to confirm a few payments. Brooklyn, what up, brother? Ace Mac, where'd you send? I didn't see a comment. OneofOneCodShop.com, Brooklyn. OneofOneCodShop.com. Go to football breaks. And then select. I'll be running in about 15 minutes. Baseball, we are full. Just waiting on a few payments. Ace Mac, I didn't get a payment from you. What's the name on it? Oh, okay, bro. Yeah, I got you. That's why I didn't even see it in there. Yep. I got you, brother. You're good. So, K-Rails, Baseball Graphs, and SMG. I'm just waiting to get confirmation that... I'm trying to get Noah or Steve to confirm that they got it. I don't have access to that PayPal. SMG, where'd you pay? Did you send to me or the regular PayPal? Did you send to the PayPal pin below, brother? I didn't get it on my end. Oh, just got it. I got you. Yep. SMG, you're good, bro. SMG is good. K-Rails and Baseball Graphs. Yeah, I got you. They're coming in late, bro. They're coming in wicked late. Blue, yours just came through. Blue, I'm going to give you a refund. I'm going to send you a refund right now. All right, brother? They're coming in late again, guys. Payments. All right. Blue, I sent you a refund, bud. Yeah, PayPal. It happened the other day, too. Sorry about that, Blue. All right. Yeah. Sorry about that, dude. K-Rose, what's your name on the PayPal? And Baseball Graphs, what's your name on the PayPal again? He's going to look it up right now for you guys. And we're good to go. Sorry about the delay, guys. That's what happens if I don't have the access to that other PayPal, so I can't check those payments. Baseball Graphs, where you at? Dennis, no, you should be good. As long as you pay through the site and it links you to your PayPal, you're fine. Yeah, you're fine. Baseball graphs. See in here? Sounds good, Dennis. Thank you. That's going to be running in a minute. I'm taking a little time for this fucking box, dude. So Select Football's on the site, guys. If you want a team, go check it out, boys. I think we're close to full on it on the first one. It's filling up quick. Hey, what's the name on the PayPal? I'm going to check Steve's right now. I'm going to check the other PayPal right now. Yeah, I thought so, dude. Yeah. Let me check. Yeah, I got you. You're right there. I got you, buddy. I got you, bud. Sorry about that. All right, we good. Ollie, what up, kid? What's good, brother? My dude. My dude. What up, brother? All right, here we go. Sorry about the delay. Here we go. I don't know why that's happening now. It wasn't happening all day, dude. Cool. All right. All right, names, then the teams, guys. Number 6. Here we go. Two dice, anything goes. 2 dice. 4 times. Do the names and the teams. 1, 2, 3, 4th and final. 4. Crank on top. Down to SMG on the bottom. All right, 4 times on the teams. One, 2, 3, and 4th and final. 4. Phillies down to the A's. Excuse me. All right, here are your teams, guys. This is number 6. There you go. Number 6. Crank with the Phillies. Ace Mac with the Nats. Baseball Graphs with the Astros. Crank with the Marlins. Kyle with the Rockies. Shoop with the Rays. Shoop with the Reds. Crank Indians. Paulie with the Orioles. Kyle Yankees. Jeff with the Braves. Jordan with the Cubs. Rogers with the Angels. Kyle with the Tigers. Destinova Padres. Hodge with the Rangers. Crank Brewers. Paulie with the Cardinals. Destinova Mariners. Mike with the Pirates. Mike with the D-backs. Jeff with the Royals. Destinova Twins. Tees Mets. Crank Jays. Fan Cards Giants. K-Rails with the Dodgers. Fan Cards White Sox. RJ Cards Boston Red Sox. SMG with the A's. Yeah, it's running right after this, Wrangle. Word. Should be close to full, huh? Was there a lot of teams left? I haven't checked. Here we go. All right. More of this stuff later in the week, guys. Super break, baseball. A little more later in the week. Be the same format, 1350 a random team. Oh, we got an 8x10 in here. All right. Only a couple. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. 9 with a 10 on the auto for the Mets out of 150. Pistol Pete Alonso. Tease with the hit. Nice hit, brother. 9 with the 10 on the auto. Corner's got an 8.5. Everything else 9.5. Nice hit. Pete Alonso, Bowman paper, blue, number to 150. That's nice. Good shit. All right, next up. Yeah, that's sick, tease. Good shit. Coots, what up, brother? Next up. Another graded. 9 for the Yankees. Flair Showcase Diamond. Kyle Isaacs. You got a 10, 9, 10, 9. 0.5 away from Gem. So Bernie Williams. It's going to Kyle Isaacs. Last up is an 8x10, it looks like, guys. Coots. I don't know if I have the extra money right now, bro. But send me pics if possible. Excuse me? Anybody? Enos Slaughter. Sergeant Slaughter's nephew. So yeah. To Bob? Was he writing to Bob Fella? Like what? To Bob. Why'd he write to Bob? That's crazy. Yeah, why'd he write to Bob, dude? If it said to Debo, that'd be fucking nuts. That's the A's, right? Athletics. Bob Baca. That's the A's, right, guys? Just let me know that's the A's. It looks like it says athletics. I mean, yeah, it's the athletics. Everybody's saying different teams. It's the athletics. It says it right there, no? Yeah, I mean, it's the athletics. They became the A's. Yeah, it's the Athletics. A's, SMG. Yeah, it's whoever they became. Well, who did they become? Let me Google it. Kansas City Athletics. That's Oakland, right? Let's see who they became. Yo, what up, brother? It's the Oakland A's, guys. Just looked it up. Oakland A's. History of the Oakland A's. Brother of Kansas City. They became the Oakland A's. I know, right? What the fuck? Sell it to a guy named Bob. There you go. Oakland A's. That Pete Alonso's nice. No idea what you're going to do with that, buddy. All right, that was the end of Super Break for today. I'll have more later in the week, guys. We can run that stuff later in the week. I am going to jump off for 5 minutes, and then I'll be on running Select Football PYT breaks. They're on the site still. If you guys want a team, go hit the site right now. As soon as I go live, we're going to pull it off the site and run some fillers. So if you want in, go check the site out. I'll be back in a few. See you later.